Hi, do you want to know how I get this color step by step? Keep watching.
Hi, my name is Geraldine and I'm excited to do my hair.
Fires burning all around, ashes falling to the ground. Someone save me, set me free. The smoke settles on my skin. Don't play with fire, you'll never win. Someone save me, help me breathe. We're burning down. We're burning down. We're burning down. We're burning. Tell me what to do. Keep me safe. Save me.
So I've always wanted to do this hair, and I felt like you were the perfect person to do it. And when I saw the result, I couldn't believe it was happening. I felt like I was dreaming.
Yeah,
So now I'm really happy. Thank you so much.
that's great. Thank you so much. Thank
you.
you.
We're burning.